To rethink how enterprise networks are designed starts with taking a stand to refuse the status quo. How can enterprises architect networks that don't fall into the trap of a linear economy and its wasteful cycle of make, use, dispose, pollute? What are some innovative approaches that enable a circular economy more aligned with a make, use, repurpose, and recycle philosophy? One way is through passive optical LAN, a better way to build and operate networks sustainably. Featuring an extended life cycle, Tellabs Optical LAN actually reduces consumption of natural resources. Tellabs Optical LAN design offers between 4:1 and 128:1 less cabling, and the fiber cabling used has 61% less plastics and associated PVCs. It reduces materials by using miles less cabling and uses simple J-hooks instead of large cable trays in the pathways. Optical LAN eliminates the need for telecommunication rooms, which eliminates access control, security cameras, steel doors, fireproofing, fire stopping, air conditioning, and disparate powering systems. The lower energy consumption of the optical LAN system can be up to 60%, and lower HVAC utilization saves another 60% in electricity. In a building with 9,000 connections, that 60% savings equates to a $70,315 lower electricity bill and 468,747 kilowatt-hours eliminated, along with 332 metric tons of carbon dioxide prevented annually. A 34-story building with 11,500 connections using optical LAN enjoys reduced cable length by 50%, cable weight by 71%, waste by 70%, and embodied carbon by 75%. What about network upgrades? How can we reuse existing materials? Tellabs FlexSim ONT248 is a direct one-to-one replacement for closet switches, and the CAT-X drop cable can be used. We offer single-mode fiber to multi-mode fiber modal adapters for the reuse of multi-mode fiber cabling with PON technology. Optical LAN uses remote powering, and existing CAT-X cable can be reused to deliver power to the end devices. The next step is to design networks that are resilient and extend the life cycle of the solution. By designing networks that promote fiber and limit copper, your foundation now has no known bandwidth limit. Tellabs Optical LAN readies the network from 10 gigabits to 40 gigabits to 100 gigabits over the same infrastructure. It also provides multi-gigabit Ethernet supporting 1, 2.5, 5, and 10 gig connectivity choices. Additionally, it offers a graceful migration from Wi-Fi 5 to Wi-Fi 6 and prepares you for Wi-Fi 7. This same design is ideal for private cellular networking 5G, small cell, or distributed antenna systems. Now, fast forward decades as these solutions hit maturity. We can still extend their life through repair, refurbishment, and reuse. Tellabs repair and refurbish programs clean, assess, repair, test, and run the products through quality assurances before reusing. We even support equipment 10 or more years old when their subcomponents are no longer available. We solicit the market for spares and unused products, acquire older products, refurbish, and get them back in use. We never throw products away when they reach the end of their useful potential. We recycle and close the loop. Tellabs' comprehensive program is aimed at eliminating electronic waste being dumped in landfills and creating more sustainable networks over time. The foundation of a circular economy is built on the principles rethink, refuse, reduce, reuse, resiliency, repair, refurbish, and recycle. These ideals are hard-coded into our DNA. We work as a team to provide unparalleled customer service, build lasting customer relationships, and pursue operational excellence with passion. Our commitment is to constantly innovate the support of our Tellabs Optical LAN products while exceeding our peers in delivering more resilient and sustainable networks.